The box. It was April of 1976 in Mike. Sonia was a lonely girl that was studying at 4th DBH. She didn't have friends. She has been suffering bullying since the previous year. She couldn't stand it. Fergus, German, and Stacy were bad boys. They offended and insulted her every single day. Sometimes they even hit her. It was 26th of April and was a sunny day. She decided not to do her homework and she went to the garden to take the sun and she got asleep. While she was sleeping, a fruit fell from a tree and hit her head. She woke up and went home. At home, she found a magic box. She didn't open it because she was frightened. The box hadn't been there yesterday. She was surprised, frightened, and with curiosity. What a mix of feelings. Some weeks later, she entered her room and she sat on her bed while she was watching the box. Finally, she opened it. Nothing happened. Next day, when she was at high school, Fergus, German, and Stacy didn't bully her. It was grateful. This happened always from that day on. In 1978, Sonia was a happy student. Her marks were much better than before. She also had lots of friends and she was a beautiful girl. All the boys loved her. She realized that all of it was impossible. How could all her life change? Was nearly impossible. The box did that. It erased all the minds of the person that did bullying to her. Nowadays, Sonia isn't lonely anymore. Her marks have improved thanks to the box.